Hi class 6, welcome back to the maths class once again. So today we are going to complete the exercise number 4.4 where we have left in our last class. So we are going to start with the problem sums of sum number 4. What has been asked out here? First, find the greatest number that can divide 257 and 329 so as to leave a remainder 5 in each case. Now listen very carefully. You have to understand what they are saying. First of all, how you are going to understand this will be a HCF or LCM? First of all, that is the trick I am sharing. You have to find what kind of number they have been asking. The greatest number, right? So HCF means highest common factor. So greatest stands with HCF. Okay. Now how we are going to proceed? We know that HCF is we have to perform HCF for finding the answer. Now how we are going to do it? First of all, what has been asked that the greatest number when 257 and 329 both are divided by that greatest number, what we have to find, they are going to give a remainder of 5 in each case. Okay, so whenever that 257 and 329 is divided by that number, it is always, other than the quotient, it is always reminding that remainder 5 for each of its case. So if we can say that if we are subtracting 5 from both of this case, that number will be exactly divisible by this greatest number, right? So exactly this is what we are going to do. So first of all, what we will do, 257 minus 5, because 5 is going to be remainder for each case. That means for this also and this also, both of the number. So we are going to subtract it. And what is coming as the result? 252 and 324. Alright. Now what we are going to do with this number? Now when we perform the HCF of these two numbers, we are going to get exactly the highest common factor between these two numbers. Okay. Therefore, HCF of 252 and 324 is equals to, so we are going to opt for the division method because both of these numbers are pretty big. So 252 is going to divide 324. Alright. Now 252 ones are 252. Because if we multiply 2 with it, 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4. So that is going far bigger than 324. So here we are going to subtract it. 72 as its remainder. Now we are going to divide the divisor, that is 252 by the remainder. Now what is going to come? We have to see which is closest possible number. So 3 here, 216 is the closest number to 252. Coming as the remainder. Now we have to keep on dividing until and unless it is totally completed. So 36 means, so here 36 2s are 72 and the division is complete. So therefore we can understand the HCF equal to, or the greatest number which has been asked is equal to 36, which is going to be divide this 252 as well and 324 as well, and if it is dividing 257 and 329, it will give a remainder of 5 in both the cases. So this is the answer of ours. Now coming to the next one, that is number 7. Here it has been said 3 tankers contain 403 liter, 434 liter and 465 liters of diesel respectively. Okay, so there are 3 tankers separately. Now find the maximum capacity of a container. Now note the word maximum capacity, okay, of the container that can measure the diesel of 3 containers exact number of times. First of all, number of times says that this is not the thing that all of the diesel should be put into it, but a common highest quantity that can contain from all of these 3 tankers. That means the HCF. Okay. It will be the multiple or the factors of these 3 numbers or the 3 quantities, but the highest one we have to find. Now for that, what we will do, we will find the HCF or highest common factor of these 3 tankers. This is what we are going to do, and this is how we understand whether problem sum is asking for a HCF or a LCM. Okay, so that you don't get confused furthermore. So we have to find the HCF of 403 liter, 434 and 465. Now what we do when we are considering 3 different numbers, we always divide the second list number by the list number first. So these 2 will be considered first. Okay, so let's divide it. 434 will be divided by 403. So 403 ones are 403 and we are going to subtract it. 31 is coming as the remainder and 403 is once again getting divided by 31. Now 31 ones are 31 first, and then coming the 93. So here 31 3s are 93. So this is getting cancelled out. Now what we will do, we will take it out and will divide the 465 by this number. So 31 once again will divide 465. Okay, so 31 ones are 31. Five is coming down, so here 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15. So here 155 gets completely divided. Okay, so here we can understand what is the HCF have been asked, that is 31 liter. Okay, so the quantity or the quantity of the tanker maximum capacity of the container will be 31 liter, and this is our answer. Okay, so this is it for this class, and you have to complete from 4 to 7 and submit me via mail. Okay, so I'll be waiting for your submission, and that will help me for understanding whether you are understanding properly or not, whether you have any doubt regarding what we are studying till now. So see you in the next video. Until then, keep studying. Thank you.